guys, today I'm gonna show you how to clean those BMW rims using this product. It's a really good one. So I cleaned the rims a little bit from all the dust and all that other things that are there. First we're gonna spray it all around with this product. Let it like 15 minutes and then we're gonna start to polish them. When you start polishing them, you wanna start from the top to the bottom. Be careful to don't miss any part. Alright, so let's go. I'm using this regular rag. Gonna look like after first round of polish. You want to repeat the process several times because this rim looks in really bad condition. I decided to plasti dip it. As you see, I used some trick with the cards all around the rim. Put some bag behind the rim to protect the pads and the rotors from the plasti dip. Also guys, you want to tape the BMW sign. I think it's gonna look cool. Now we're ready to plasti dip the rim. We're gonna use this product right here. I bought it on Amazon. Put a link in the description. This is how it looks like after I applied the first coat. You want to allow between 20 and 30 minutes between coats. Let it dry a little bit and then apply another one. After a couple of coats, we have this result. I'm gonna let it dry and apply the final coat. This is how it looks like after I applied the last coat. Looks great guys.